Dear student, question number 3 is related to logarithmic. Okay, what we have given, which of the following is true about the roots of this equation, and 4 options we have given. Equation has only one solution, sum of roots is negative, roots must be less than 2, at least one root is positive. So these are the 4 options. So let's try to solve. Here we have logarithmic base 2x plus 3 and 6x square plus 23x plus 21. So it is quadratic expression. First we will check factors possible or not. 6 multiply 21. 6 multiply 21, it will be 126. So 126. Okay. Here 6 multiply 21, it is equal to 126. Find the factors of 126. Such factors, sum should be 23. Okay. So 126. So divide by 2, it will be 6, 3. Now divide by 3, 21 divide by 3, 7 divide by 7. So it will be 3 3 is 9, 7 2 is 14. So 14 multiply 9. Okay, 14 multiply 9, it will be 126. Correct or not? 126. And if we are adding two numbers, 14 plus 6, so it will be 23. So it means we are getting factors. If we are getting factors, so separately we can find here 6x square plus 23x plus 21. So 6x square plus here 14 plus 9. So we can write 9 plus 14 or 14 plus 9, both are same thing. 9x plus 14x plus 21. Okay, here what is common? Maximum we can take 3x as common. So here we have 2x plus 3. Here we can take 7 as common. So if 7 common, here we have 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 7. Okay, 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 7. So in first step we can write logarithmic 2x plus 3, it is our base. Okay, and instead of this quadratic expression, what we can write? 2x plus 3 into 3x plus 7. Okay student, now equal to what we have? 4 minus logarithmic 3x plus 7 is the base. Logarithmic 3x plus 7, it is our base. Now what about 4x square plus 12x plus 9? Try to think, we are finding factors or not. 4x square, here we can write 4x square plus 12x plus 9. Okay, 4x square means it is 2x whole square plus 9 means we can write here 3 square. Okay, and 12x, so can we write 2 multiply 2x multiply 3? Is it possible or not? 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. So it is the formula of a plus b whole square. A means 2x, b means 3, so 2x plus 3 whole square. Okay student, instead of this quadratic expression we can write 2x plus 3 whole square. Okay, so it is the simplest form. Okay, after that we can apply logarithmic property. So what is logarithmic property? Basic property we can apply here. Already we know logarithmic x plus logarithmic y is equal to logarithmic x into y. Okay, if we have minus sign, logarithmic x minus logarithmic y, so we can write in the division, it will be logarithmic x divided by y. If we have logarithmic x to the power n, so n will be multiple of logarithmic, So here we can write n logarithmic x. Okay student, so now here we should remember one thing, base should be same. If base is same, then these formulae are applicable, otherwise no. Now here suppose 2x plus 3 is x and 3x plus 7 it is y. So x into y, logarithmic x into y. So we can write logarithmic x plus y. So logarithmic 2x plus 3 base, and here in the bracket 2x plus 3. Okay, it is logarithmic x plus logarithmic y. Base should be same, so base is 2x plus 3. What is the value of y? 3x plus 7 equal to, here 4 same, minus, here logarithmic x power n, so power will be multiple. So here we can write 4 minus 2 logarithmic 3x plus 7, 3x plus 7 into 2x plus 3. Okay, it is the value. Suppose we have number and base both are same. Suppose here we have logarithmic x base and here we have x. So it is equal to 1. Remember this one. So here logarithmic 2x plus 3, it is base and number is also 2x plus 3. So instead of first term, what we can write? 1 plus, what is second term? Logarithmic 2x plus 3. Okay, and here 3x plus 7. It is equal to 4 minus 2 logarithmic 3x plus 7. Okay, and here 2x plus 3. Okay student, now do one thing, let logarithmic 2x plus 3 is the base, value is 3x plus 7, it is equal to t. Okay, logarithmic 2x plus 3 and 3x plus 7, instead of this term we can take t, so it will be 1 plus t is equal to 4 minus, now think about this one term. This term is the reciprocal of this term. Here base 2x plus 3, number 3x plus 7. Here base 3x plus 7, number 2x plus 3. So if it is equal to t, it will be 1 by t. So 2 multiply 1 by t. Okay student, because logarithmic x base y is equal to 1 by logarithmic y base x. Okay, it is also simple property but important property in logarithmic. So now we have simple equation in terms of t, so easily we can calculate value of t. Here 1 plus t multiply t. Okay, it will be in the multiplication, and here what we have, 4t minus 2, 4t minus 2, so it will be t square plus t minus 4t, okay, and plus 2 equal to 0. So it will be t square, it will be minus 3t and plus 2, it is equal to 0. So we have this one quadratic equation, and factors are also possible. Okay, 2 1s are 2, 2 plus 1 3, so it will be t minus 1 and t minus 2. These are the factors. So what are the values of t? 1 and 2. Okay, these are the two values of t, but our question we have given in terms of x. So what is the value of t? We can check. So here equation we have t square minus 3t plus 2. Okay, what is the value of t? Logarithmic 2x plus 3 and number is 3x plus 7. 2x plus 3, 3x plus 7. Okay student, here we can put this one value, it is equal to 1, and logarithmic 2x plus 3, 3x plus 7, it is equal to 2. So after that remove this logarithmic. Here we have 3x plus 7 is the number, and whatever we have in the equal side, that will be the power of this base. 2x plus 3 whole power 1, and similarly same rule we can apply here. number is 3x plus 7, base is 2x plus 3. What we have given in the equal side 2, so here we can write in the power. Now 3x plus 7 is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so here what is the value of x? X is equal to 3 minus 7, it will be minus 4. Okay, after this 3x plus 7 is equal to, now 2x plus 3 whole square. So with the help of a plus b whole square formula, easily we can open this one. So 4x square plus 12 minus 3, it will be 9x, and 9 minus 7, it will be 2. It is equal to 0. So now it is quadratic equation. So 4 to the 8, 8 1 the 8, 8 plus 1 9. So factors are possible. So 4x square plus 8x plus x plus 2, it is equal to 0. So if you are taking 4x common, here we have x plus 2. If you are taking 1 common, so x plus 2. Okay, so here we can write x plus 2 into 4x plus 1. Okay, so how many values we are getting? 2 values. First value minus 2 and second value minus 1 by 4. So total we are getting 3 values, x equal to minus 4, x equal to minus 2 and x equal to minus 1 by 4. Now we need to check which one value is correct and which one is not correct. Now here 2x plus 3 is the base. So find out what is the value of 2x plus 3 at x equal to minus 4. Put minus 4 here, it will be minus 8 plus 3, it is equal to minus 5. It means if we are putting x equal to minus 4, so base should be minus 5, but it is impossible. Okay, base can't be negative, so minus 4 is not answer. Now put minus 2, x equal to minus 2, so minus 2, so it will be minus 4. Okay, plus 3, answer will be minus 1. It means base should be minus 1, but it is impossible, base can't be negative, so minus 2 is not answer. Now put minus 1 by 4, x equal to minus 1 by 4 equal to, so 2 multiply minus 1 by 4, 2 multiply minus 1 by 4 and plus 3, so it will be minus 1 by 2 and 3 minus 1 by 2, it will be 5 by 2. Okay student, 5 by 2 means 2.5 and it is possible, it is possible. So x equal to minus 2 is not answer, x equal to minus 4, it is also not answer, and x equal to minus 1 by 4, it is the only one answer. X equal to minus 1 by 4, it is the answer. So what is the question? So we have given these 4 options. Equation has only one solution, yes, x equal to minus 1 by 4, so it is the answer. Now what about second option? Sum of roots is negative. Sum of roots, we are getting only one root, x equal to minus 1 by 4, and that is negative, so it means option number 2 is also correct. Third option, roots must be less than minus 2. Yes, x equal to minus 1 by 4, we are getting this one answer. Okay, only one answer, and it is less than 2. Correct or not? So option number 3 is also correct. Now fourth option, at least one root is positive. No, we are getting 3 roots, 2 roots not acceptable, but all the 3 roots are negative. It means answer is not positive, we are getting answer negative. So option number 4 is incorrect. Okay student, so this question was related to logarithmic and most expected question. These type of questions you can prepare well. Option A, B and C are correct answer. Okay, now we will discuss question number 4.